This is very easy. Just circle the head, move it down a notch. How the fuck do you rotate this shit? No. No. Oh, wait. Just circle the ledge. There's no problem here. You're the problem. I'm not the problem. You're the problem. Fuck off. This is the most deformed thing I've ever seen. This is great. I'm loving every damn second of this. Well, doesn't that look fucked? You fixed the spots. On a scale from 1 to 10, how much are you raging right now? 75. I'm just trying to animate my damn dog. I could have been doing this the whole time and it would have looked good. I don't know whose house I'm gonna run and beat them up. But it's gonna be soon and it's gonna be now. How do you change the damn size of the damn razor? Because it's not damn what? How do you change the size? Huh? Erase all this shit. And it's there again! That still looked fucked. That still... What am I doing wrong? I just got back from Delaware, by the way. Alright, time to see how this worked. I'm a